Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make one of these origami heart bookmarks. They look lovely, but they're actually really easy to do. No experience of origami needed, just a little bit of time and patience, and follow the video through. Pause it wherever you feel you need to. Okay, so all you're going to need is some paper. So nice cheap gift to give somebody who loves books. So I'm Christine of christinescrafts.com. Please subscribe below, give us a thumbs up and click the bell so you know when my videos arrive. All you're going to need is a square of paper. The best size to make these is 4 inches by 4 inches. So take one corner and fold it up to the opposite corner and run your fingers and maybe even your fingernail along the crease to make it a nice deep crease. Take the other corners and do the same with those. So you're going to end up with a cross on your square of paper. Always press your folds firmly. It's one of the secrets to success. So once you've got that cross, turn your paper over and fold it in half again. This time take one side to the other side and once again a nice firm crease. And now we're going to form something called a water bomb. So where those creases on the sides there want to come in together, allow them to, and you'll form a nice triangle. So let's show you that again. Bring those sides in, press them down, pull the top down and crease. And that's a nice basic move that you'll use in lots of origami. And you can see that's the bit that's going to go over your book. So now take the bottom right hand corner and just the top level, bring it up to the point at the top of your triangle. Repeat for the left hand side. So just the top level of paper, bring it up, make sure it goes right to the top corner. With all your origami, accuracy is the key. And you'll see that because I'm being filmed, mine doesn't end up quite as good as it should. Fold those back down, get the top corner and fold that down to the bottom. Just make sure you get it lined up perfectly and fold. And then open that one back up. You're now going to take just the top layer and take the middle and pull it up to the point. Now when you do that, the sides will come up and you're going to take each of those points to the top in the middle. Now, my left hand one here doesn't want to go. If you have any difficulties like that, just poke your finger in. You'll see I've turned it to make it easier for me and get it to lie flat. Take a bit of time if you need to and get that lined up. And there you go. Okay. The next step, fold down. Now, you've already got a fold there, so it should be quite easy. Okay. I'm just having to adjust mine. It's not quite lined up properly. Fold it down on the fold you've already got. Now take that front piece and fold it back up just to the center. And now we're going to open each side up. So take the left hand side first, open it up, push your finger into the point and then flatten it down. Okay, you can see we're starting to form our heart shape now. So let's go to the right hand side, push your finger into the point and then flatten it down. Okay, you can see that heart shape. Now you're going to take your little corners and fold them up to the next bit of paper. Do the same to the other side. You will now have a heart shape, but a little bit pointy. So we're going to flatten those points off by doing final folds with these points. So take your point and just fold it up to that line there. And repeat with the other side. Now take your time to get these folds nice and flat. And once you're finished, you can always put it under a book to make sure they stay flat. So then open all that up and you should have a nice heart shape like that. And that's it. you've finished. Now this is a large one. I made this with 6-inch squared paper. I really recommend the 4-inch. It gets you a lovely little bookmark that sits nicely on any book. So I'm just going to show you what you would do. You'd find where you want it in your book and simply hook it over a page or a few pages, and that's it. It'll keep your page for you. So you can make them with any paper. You don't need origami paper. I've just used ordinary printer paper here. You can also use a page out of an old book, which makes them quite appropriate for book readers. And I've also made them using old sheet music. Really, get as creative as you like. Think about the person it's for, think about what they read, and make it the most appropriate. You could even write on them little messages if it's a gift, particularly for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. So get creative and make what's suitable for you. And I hope you enjoy making them. And if this is your first foray into origami, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're gaining your confidence and that you'll carry on. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, then you'll know when all my videos arrive. So thanks again and good luck with your bookmarks.